Namaste, divine beings. There is a place of ease in being, the place of the supermind. So when we have transcended the mind itself, when we have stepped into a primordial higher self of vibrancies, now we are in the supermind state where we are gliding. Our heart is singing at all times. We are inspired. We've converged timelessness to time. In this space, we see the big picture. We begin to awaken all the numerous geniuses we have. This is why divinity is portrayed as the one who has 10 heads, 100 heads. This is the supermind states of Turiya. And this is when we meditate, we awaken this enormous immenseness of ourselves. In this state of Turiya is where we are the spirit having the human experience, the yogi. Be the yogi. Om Namah Shivaya.